Howard's come over for the first start on this amazing motor he's built. That's too much. I gotta go find one more spot. There we go.
It should be close.
We ain't got it quite in the right spot, do we?
You probably need to move it a notch.
All right. Okay, that looks better. Man, what now?
Well, if oil pressure run up, you got fuel to it. We're ready to see if there's smoke.
This is exciting.
All things in time. All right, this right here is 4. That's right. All right, so that's right.
Well, you reckon we need to pull that plug out?
Yeah, and take number 1 plug back out. If you'll just bump it around with the starter in there, we'll get your marker here where we need it. Come on. Come on.
Oh, I'm past it right there a little bit. Because there's my 0, and then there's my mark. I actually need to come forward a little bit more.
Just a little bit off that, I'll be close enough. All right, let's see where we at here. We're right in there. That thing ought to crank right there. That was close.
You think I was 180 out?
No. No, I never did pull it out. You had it right.
Trying to work through all the little details. Oh, look, Dad's in here. Empire of Rust is in here. What's going on, guys?
Where'd you go, your little ratchet trigger? All right, throw it back on. Let's try it again. Ooh. Go ahead. It ain't getting no fuel yet. Yeah, your battery's low too.
Oh, I see my fuel gauge moving all of a sudden.
Yeah, your battery's low. You got something to put on it?
Uh-huh. That gauge is moving now, ain't it?
Hit it.
I seen it move a second. Or I seen it going back down.
This gauge?
Uh-huh. It must have been going back down to 0.
Yeah, it jumped a little bit.
Yeah, once it
It's
started.
fixing to get the fuel.
Let's get a little help over there on it.
It looks like the battery is low.
Yeah. Bring the thunder.
Alright, so that's low.
It was almost had some thunder there.
Yeah, let's see it.
Close enough.
Bring it back a little bit. Alright, try it. I got a leak right here.
What's that now?
I got a fuel leak right here.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Just a little bit. Alright.
So are you just hearing something that's telling you like, oh, I need to move that?
Yeah, I hear the timing when it's high.
Uh-huh.
Alright. Alright. I think we still got something going on with fuel pressure. Alright, try it again.
When it starts to kind of, I can almost feel it.
Yeah, that's the time it's high doing that.
Like it's almost like it's butting against
So
itself.
I gotta go this way to retard it. And then get no spark.
I saw one little spark.
Did you?
Yeah.
Try it again. Oh, it's sparking now. It wasn't sparking.
What was that, y'all?
I think that was Mustang.
Hold on. Alright, so bring it back just a minute. Alright, now go. If something's causing the spark to come and go, all right, do it again. They like we still got something going on there. There's something somewhere.
So
It sounds like they're having a blow on it to me.
they say, I think you're supposed to like kind of set the timing. So we might have to pull that out and go ahead and do the timing procedure. And then you set your idle to about 750. And then you can do a base idle reset.
Have you moved the idle on that at all?
I haven't touched it for
I'm gonna set this right here.
And I was actually looking, trying to figure out, I guess it's an Allen head from what I can see right there. Looks like.
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely smoking your paint on your exhaust.
Oh yeah.
When it getting that hot on the exhaust, it's a sign that the time is too low too.
Let's get the fan out and maybe blow some of this exhaust out. All right, we made a trip to AutoZone and we got us another battery. This one's actually a little bit bigger, got a little bit more cranking amps. So I think I'm about to hit it and see what happens.